Observe these tires as they embark on an unexpected journey down the road, surprising and capturing the attention of passers-by. It seems they have chosen to break free from their typical role on the vehicle, exploring the world on their own terms. Pedestrians halt in their tracks, drivers double-check their surroundings, and even birds seem to pause mid-flight to witness this unusual event. Perhaps these tires are seeking autonomy, or they simply desire a spontaneous ride without the constraints of being attached to a vehicle. Regardless of their intent, they have transformed an ordinary drive into an unexpected spectacle, leaving everyone intrigued about the surprises the road may hold. Witness the skillful maneuvers of truck drivers as they expertly navigate challenging conditions on the road. These drivers demonstrate exceptional control, turning what could be hazardous situations into displays of remarkable skill. It's a blend of unexpected challenges and skillful responses, where each maneuver appears precarious but is executed with precision to avoid major accidents. These drivers have mastered the unpredictable nature of the road, transforming potential mishaps into moments of expertise and safety for all to observe. Exercise caution when navigating this section of the road. It contains a pothole of significant depth that could cause serious damage to your vehicle. This area serves as a cautionary reminder. One misstep could lead to severe consequences for a vehicle's undercarriage. It's crucial to approach this road with care, as navigating it at high speed could lead to unforeseen damage or accidents. The oncoming truck appropriately yielded to the vehicle stuck in a deep rut, which had been obscured by grass, leading to the unfortunate tipping of the truck. Let's examine the behavior of tires that cause disruption on our roads, often creating hazardous situations and affecting the flow of traffic. These tires disrupt routine travel, creating unanticipated challenges for drivers and leaving many confused by the unexpected events they cause. This truck broke down on the highway, and as the driver attempted to signal the oncoming traffic, another car collided with the truck. The driver of the black car made a critical error in attempting to exit the highway after missing the proper turnoff. The truck driver, attempting a U-turn, failed to notice the fire hydrant in close proximity, compounding the day's challenges. When operating large containers, it's safer to prioritize caution and steady progress rather than rushing through difficult terrain. The truck lost its brakes and veered onto the emergency lane. Despite significant damage to the cargo bed, the driver emerged unharmed and calm. Today was not favorable for either the lamppost or the truck driver, as an unfortunate accident led to a tangled collision between the two. This small truck managed to squeeze through a narrow alley, precariously balancing on just its two rear tires, demonstrating unusual maneuverability. The truck on the right engaged in reckless driving by speeding through an intersection, neglecting to yield for the red car making a turn. The truck's collision with the concrete utility pole resulted in the pole snapping in half, a clear demonstration of the impact's severity. The road surface, covered in dirt, became dangerously slippery, akin to trying to drive on a banana peel, leading to loss of control. For reasons unknown, this white car was forcibly moved by workers using strong measures, possibly due to a disagreement or misunderstanding. After an oil tanker overturned and spilled its contents, the car attempted to pass through, unaware of how slick the road had become, turning it into a hazardous venture. The Honda Civic, in an attempt to avoid waiting for the next light, misjudged its speed and lost control as it rushed to beat the yellow light. From the outset, it was evident that this shaky brick wall would not withstand the pressure, resulting in the collapse as anticipated. The operation to rescue the truck trapped in floodwaters was a challenging task, requiring the coordinated efforts of a skilled team to navigate the difficult conditions. With the truck partially submerged, each action required careful planning and execution to avoid making the situation worse. Using winches, cranes, and excavators, the team carefully worked around the truck, adjusting to the unpredictable nature of the floodwaters. As each attempt to lift or reposition the truck was made, the team had to contend with the fluctuating floodwaters and the weight of the cargo. The white car entered the blind spot of the truck, creating a potentially dangerous situation for both vehicles. The white car attempted to overtake the truck, but a yellow car approached from the opposite direction, complicating the maneuver. A taxi obstructed the line of sight for both vehicles, causing a moment of confusion and a lack of visibility for both drivers. The red truck crossed the road with caution, while the white truck on the other side seemed unaware of the traffic ahead. The white car's actions led to a serious mistake with significant consequences, emphasizing the importance of careful driving. Why are individuals on the hill dumping rocks and water down onto the road? The potential dangers and risks of such actions must be carefully considered.